y'all. I am doing another unboxing of a Diamond Art Club image. This one is Madam Chic. All right, let me get you zoomed in here. Madam Chic is a square drill diamond painting. It is a 32 by 37 centimeter image. And I got this one because, I don't know, I saw it and I really did think of my mother and my aunt. They're always so well dressed and so well put together and so chic that I got this one because it reminded me of them. So here is something interesting I just noticed, which means I'm going to have to, all right, focus again. And this time I'm just going to bring you on down here to it. Look at this. Let's see. I've been learning how to read their SKUs, okay? This says diamond shape square. Don't mind the nails, I'm sorry. The SKU says, okay, it's Diamond Art Club. Here's the number 438. S for square. AB. Does this one have AB drills in it? It doesn't say that it has AB drills in it here. But this SKU number right here, that AB tells me that this may have AB drills in it. I'm excited. Are you excited? Okay, well, I'm going to pull you back on up here. Yeah, there we go. Ah. Okay, so let's check it out. Let's check it out. So, the born on date of this one was March 28th of this year, 2019. I cannot tell you when I ordered this because I don't see my book anywhere near me. But I do know that I always get them 4 days after I order. Wow. I'm looking at all the red. All the red. You see all the red? Okay, I guess we're going to have to open up the canvas to see how many of the drills we are supposed to have. La 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 la. All right, let me... Uh-oh. I'm rolling it backwards and not looking, and I feel it. I feel it. I feel the paper. Oh, my goodness. Look what I got. Yay. Okay, so I'm going to re-roll this back to the fuzzy side so we can pet the fuzz right here. It needs to be petted. It needs some love. Okay. Look. Yay. Another strip. Another strip. There are 26 colors, so now we can look at the beads before we look at the canvas. I always like to look at the beads before the canvas, but then I never know how many, I'm supposed to have. There is one AB, and it is 141. Anything under 150 is an AB. Well, hello. Okay. Can we just get... my computer's talking to me now. Sorry about that. Alrighty, so we can look now at our 26 colors. Well, this is a square, and I have a round hitchhiker. Where'd you come from? He just wanted to come for a visit. He wanted to come to the hot Alabama humid heat. Check it out. All right, so Let's look at the big packs first, since they do them by weight. Ooh, that's a lot of red. There is some bright red. That to me almost looks like a hot pink. There is your AB. It's kind of a white. Look at all the shine. Oh my. There's 666. Bright red. Darker red. Black. And another red. All right. There's a lot of red. So let's see. We're going to start over here with the littles. Oh, that's kind of like a tan, a khaki color. There is a peachy kind of coral. There's a almost like a burnt orange brown. There's a pink and a blue and a tan and another blue, a pink, bright red, blue, dark blue, peachy kind of color. There is a, I don't know, a dark peach, a light tan, a blue. I like that blue. There is a darker blue. There is kind of like a aqua light color. There's like a pinky color. A blue. 939 is a dark blue that looks black. And then 814 is the crimson color. All right. Now, to get these back in the bag, let's try. Here we go. Stick it to the table, flip it over, shove them in. That's how we do it. Makes life so much easier not to fight with that sticky. Now, I am going to put my schematic in with my beads. I'm going to fold this back. Put this up in here. Okay. Now I am going to unroll it without looking. Oh, look away, look away. All right. So, are we ready? I'm not ready. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Oh, wow. Okay. Ooh, look at the, well, y'all can't look. My goodness. There are so many different reds just to give you that kind of painted kind of look back here on the background. I love the hat. I love the hat. I love the hat and the glove. She's just so elegant. She has on a glove. My mother was in the Red Hat Society, and I know it's not a red hat or purple hat or whatever they had, but it's just, you know, all the red and the dressy and the flamboyant hat. I don't know. It just reminds me of my aunt and my mom so much. Now, even though this is a smaller one, they did put the schematic up here and down here, which is interesting. Okay. I appreciate it, even though I don't use the schematic. Once I kit up, I don't need it because I will take this piece right here, run it through my Xyron, and I will cut off just the symbol and the DMC number. I don't use this number, but I will cut off the symbol and the DMC number and stick it onto the container that I'm using for that color bead. So I don't ever look at these. I know a lot of people do, like Stitcherista. Stitcherista does it by these numbers, 1 through 26. That works for her, and it wouldn't work for me. It wouldn't. But I appreciate her, you know, explaining how she does it, because maybe it'll work for somebody else. Which is, I guess, why us diamond painters who are YouTube creators, why we do kit up videos, is to give people ideas. So the shading is amazing on her skin. I can say that. The shading of the background is beautiful. Love the roses. The AB beads are highlights. They're highlights in her hat. There are highlights right there and on this rose. There are highlights in the glove and this, I guess she has like a shawl tied around her. There is a lot of the ABs, and I am excited to see what this one's going to look like. I do rounds and I do squares, so does it really? Yes, I'm touching the back. So all right, yep, it's sticky. So I'm going to get you down in here because, as you can see, you know, you're looking at this. I'm looking what you're seeing right now. And you don't see what I see with these symbols. And the symbols are clear. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and zoom it before I bring you on down in here. There. So as you can see, now that I have pulled you down into the canvas and you've gotten up close and personal. Okay, so let me pull you on down in here so you can see this. All right. So my honest opinion, some of these darker pinks with the K and the 2. I think that's, nope, hold up. That's not a 2. It looks like a 2 to me, but it's not. It is a greater than sign. Yeah, that will give me some trouble if I'm not using the light pad. Now, these symbols for all the reds are fine because it's dark with a white symbol. I'm not having any trouble seeing these. I am having trouble seeing these 2. Yeah, I'm having trouble seeing these 2. My honest opinion. Let's look up here in the hat for a second. Okay, see? I mean, these are very clear because, like right here, you have a light background with a dark symbol. Actually, you have 2. And I can tell those apart. Here, you have dark colors with lighter backgrounds. I don't know what they were thinking with this pink and this black. Black symbols on this dark pink. I don't know what they were thinking. The rest is very, very easy to see. So if you are going to do this one, I would recommend that you have a light pad, just in case you're old and blind like me. Oh, I'm so blind. Yeah, but I don't wear my glasses. My fault, I guess. Don't like them. So that is Madame Chic, and she is very chic. Very, very chic. Oh. All right. Let me put this one away. So, put it here. Flip it over. Shove this in. There we go. But to me, this is a smaller one of theirs compared to some of, some of the sizes they've got. This to me is a small one. This is very doable. I would say if you have never tried squares and you want to try squares, work with one that is in the between the 20 and the 37 centimeter range of size, so that you're not overwhelmed, because once you do one like that, then you know, do you really want one that is about 3 to 4 feet tall or wide? So I have, what is it, Sneaky Peek, Sneaky Cat. Yes, I have that one. I have not shown you the unboxing yet. It's coming, I promise. So there is Madam Chic. And until I get on here and do another video, hey, I guess I will see you then. I hope to see you then. Thanks for stopping by and listening to me ramble on. Until next time, bye y'all.